Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Copilot to write an email in Outlook. Let's get to the video. Okay, as you can see, I'm currently inside of the Outlook application, and I'm in the message section. I'm getting ready to send a message. Now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head up here in this corner. I'm going to click this icon here. Then I'm going to click draft with Copilot. Click it. And as you can see, it's going to ask me to describe the key point. I'm going to write something random in here and delay 2 weeks. And then I'm going to click regenerate, and it's going to write something, a different style on what I just typed. Give it a second, and bam. But if I want to make it sound more different, change the mood up, you could choose neutral, casual, or formal. But I'm going to click formal for right now. Bam. And then I'm going to regenerate it. And then it's going to make everything I just typed sound more formal, suitable, and bam, straightforward. All right, you're going to go look at it. Okay, approve, and I'm going to press keep. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.